firewall is a fire-resistant wall that is designed to prevent the spread of fire between different parts of a building or structure. Firewalls are required in various buildings and structures, including buildings with multiple stories, buildings with mixed occupancy such as residential and commercial, buildings used for storage of hazardous materials, and buildings located in fire hazard areas. When installing receptacles and switches in firewalls, it is important to remember several things. Firstly, receptacles and switches must be installed in approved fire-rated enclosures. Secondly, enclosures must be listed by an approved testing agency such as Underwriters Laboratories. Thirdly, wiring should be protected by fire-rated cables or conduit. Penetrations through firewalls must be fire-stopped using approved materials and methods. Common fire-stopping materials include cementitious materials, mineral wool, and spray foam. Openings for pipes, ducts, and cables must be sealed and fire-rated. For more information on firewalls, consult the National Fire Protection Association, specifically NFPA 220 Standard on Types of Building Construction, NFPA 101 Life Safety Code, and NFPA 70 National Electrical Code, also known as the NEC. You can also consult the American Society for Testing and Materials, or ASTM. Specific ASTM standards to review are ASTM E119 Standard Test Methods for Fire Tests of Building Construction and Materials and ASTM E814 Standard Test Method for Fire Tests of Penetration Fire Stop Systems. Local code enforcement agencies and state fire marshals' offices can also provide valuable information. Licensed electricians can provide guidance on installing electrical devices in firewalls. Online resources include the National Institute of Standards and Technology at NIST, Gov. the U.S. Fire Administration at OSSA, FEMA, Gov. and Fire Engineering at FireEngineering.com. Always refer to the latest editions of codes and standards as they are updated periodically. Understanding the specific requirements for your project is critical for ensuring fire safety and code compliance.